One of the things that we do all the time, so is our shower valve is literally right around where the entrance is. This way you can reach in. This one has a dual function on it. It's time to move back in. This bathroom remodel, this master bathroom remodel is finally completed. On this remodel, the flooring we actually kept, it was already here before. So this is the wood-looking floor tile. So I went ahead and put new vanity in. So both sides, same bases for both sides. The middle piece right here is a hamper, and I'll show you that in 1 second. So we took out the medicine cabinet that was there. And we now have a towel hook. So that goes ahead and holds the hand towel that's there. So new mirrors and new lights, of course. So got rid of the big mirror across there. New countertops, well, with a taller backsplash. So it's a 6-inch backsplash. And the reason why we did that's actually on the side over here. This way we were able to run it continuous from the countertop here all the way up to the wall cap that we put on top of the half wall. So that we left in place on the shower itself. That's a nice continuous look. So in that corner there. For the new wall tile, so again, another wood look. So this was a call from the homeowner. She wanted to go ahead and make this a beautiful, more wood looking, more rustic looking area. This waterfall that we put in, it's the same material like you see on the floor. So it's a great waterfall look, a little bit different because of the fact it's not just a straight waterfall, it's straight down between the two shampoo niches and then spreads out like a waterfall would as it gets down to where it would be hitting down in the lake or the pond down below. Which is what we did. We did do 2 shampoo niches in here. The 2 shampoo niches are perfect. You know, hers and a his, and half of his is hers. Anyone who is married knows what that is like. Hey! So we did 1 piece of glass, which is a little bit hard to see since it is clear glass. And this is the biggest piece of glass you can do without doing any kind of support or a header, which is how they did that. This is 0 entry, which means that you can age in place here and be able to roll right into the shower if that need ever becomes a need. Added a couple of rope hooks back on the back end, towel hooks in this case. Those are what they are. And one of the things that we do all the time is our shower valve is literally right around where the entrance is. This way you can reach in. This one has a dual function on it. So it's got the thermostatic and the temperature control. Sorry, the temperature control and also the volume control. So that's what it is. So in the shower head, they have the dual function shower head. So you can see there's a piece in the middle. So that piece in the middle is actually a handheld that comes out of there separately that you're able to go ahead and use while there's still a shower head up there. Now back over where the cabinets are, there are a couple nice features in here. So we did do hampers inside of here, which is nice for anyone who knows what, where you want to go ahead and put laundry, you don't have to worry about putting it anywhere. Some drawers. So in the linen stack, so along with a place to put towels, some other taller items that are in there. And also underneath what we ended up doing, so this is her side, is we've got a shelf here, so which is nice, a little bit more extra storage. And then we also went ahead and did a pull out in the bottom, which makes it easier to get back to the back. So all great features recommended by our cabinet person, but she is an awesome cabinet designer. Whenever it comes to maximizing space and maximizing the use, this one's all ready to go. So everyone, the homeowner's happy, they love it. They are excited to be back in, and then we'll repaint the whole bathroom too. Nice new fresh look all the way around.